Most AI coding models are fighting for small benchmark improvement. MiniMax M3 is trying something different. 1 million context window, native multimodality, focus on agentic workflow that can work across huge code base. What actually MiniMax M3 provide other than its previous model? MiniMax M3 is a large language model designed for coding, reasoning and agent-based workflow. Unlike traditional chat-focused model, M3 is built to process external large amount of information at once and execute longer and more complex tasks. Process code, document, image, audio, video, and requirement at the scale that was previously difficult for AI system. This isn't just another chatbot, it's an AI model built for complex software development, long-running workflow, and the next generation of AI agent. In this video, I'll explore what makes MiniMax M3 special and see how it performs in real-world coding environment. If you can compare the benchmark, its performance is awesome. Here in SWE bench, terminal bench and YB2, which is important for coding index, its performance is like to like similar or higher as compared to Opus, ChatGPT and Gemini. Here, MiniMax M3, which is currently launched 2-3 days ago, it mentioned frontier coding, 1 million context, native multimodality, all in one model that is lacking in previous model. If you can compare with other model in coding index, its performance is this, in Agentic this, and in multimodal this. If you can see and if you can compare its performance with the previous its model, Claude model of ChatGPT, Gemini, Opus, DeepSeek and other model, then its benchmark is similar or higher than this model. In today's video, I will instruct how you can use this model for free, or if you upgrade your plan, then you can get 1 million token in just $0.6 for input, and for output you can get $2.4. Okay, without wasting time, let's start. Here OpenCode provided for free for a limited time. I didn't mention it, MiniMax is free, but OpenCode mentioned it will be free for limited time. Okay, here go to the opencode.ai, then create your account by just log in with your Gmail account or something else. Then you are landed it here and click this Gen. Then you are here. You can see which model is free. That will be provided by OpenCode. Go to here use section and it will mention at the time of 2 June the video recorded, it will provide MiniMax M2 for free. It will just launch 2-3 days ago. Now it will be free here for limited time. Use it until it is free. How you can use it? First, create your API key. From here you can easily create the API key. After that, you need to install the OpenCode if you want to use it inside the OpenCode. In this today's video, I'll show you the 3 ways that you can use MiniMax in OpenCode, in Claude Code, and inside the VS Code as well. Okay, without wasting time, let's open the terminal. If you are using PowerShell, open the PowerShell. Then if you are using it for first time, copy this command and paste it here in terminal. Then your Claude Code is installed. After that, check it is installed or not. OpenCode version. If it will show the version, then it will confirm OpenCode is installed. Then type OpenCode. Then OpenCode window is open here. Here I have already used it. That's why MiniMax M3 will be reflected here. If you are using for first time, it will not reflected it here. Select the slash and search for connect and press the enter. Then in the OpenCode Gen, again press enter. Here you need to provide your API key that you have created. Copy this API key and paste it here and press the enter. Now you are ready to use MiniMax M3 pre-model in your OpenCode. I'll select it and let's see is it work or not. Hello. If you can see, in one line it will show 4%. Initially it will start with this 4%, then it will slowly increase, not that much fast. Okay, which model is it? You can see MiniMax M3 powered by MiniMax. Can you help me? If you can see, it will respond too fast. First time it will respond within the 4 seconds, second time it will 3.6 seconds, third time it will respond in 2.6 seconds, which is too much fast as compared to its previous model. And if you can see here, token is increased slightly. By this way, you can use it inside the OpenCode. Close the terminal here, then open it again. After that, I will instruct you how you can use it inside the Claude Code. If you have not installed Claude, then copy the command from here and paste it in your terminal or PowerShell, whatever you have used. After you have pasted, then it will take some time to install. After installing, again check is it perfectly installed or not. Claude version. If version will be reflected here, then you are ready to use it. Another thing, if you have not installed npm or if you have not installed node, then it will show error. First you need to install it, that I have already mentioned. After that, I am assuming you have installed the Claude, then we are going to set up for it. Just type the code, then .claude. This is the path. Or if you didn't want this method, you can directly open .claude folder from your VS Code. If you are using code for the first time, you need to install this code shell in your VS Code. Just select Command Shift P or Control Shift P, whatever environment you are using, then source shell. Here it will show install code command in path. After you have installed it, then you can use this command here. After that, press the enter, then .claude folder is open inside our VS Code. If you have used it for first time, then setting.json file is not here. You can easily create this json.setting.json file from here. Give settings.json, not setting only, settings.json. Then I'll provide you this code in video description, and all the link that I have used, I'll provide it in the video description. Okay. Then only things that you need to change, which is Anthropic API key. You need to change it. From where? That we have created from the OpenCode. From here we have created the API key, copy this API key and paste it here. After that, you are ready to use MiniMax M3 inside the Claude Code. Save it and close the Visual Studio Code. Then in the terminal, type Claude and press enter. If you are using it for the first time, then it will ask which theme do you want to use. Use any themes that you are comfortable. After that, it will also ask, it will detect the custom API key. Do you want to use it? Select as. It will recommend no, but select as. After that, you are here and select as. I will trust it. After you have select these three, if you are using it for the first time, then you are landed it here. Then it will automatically detect the custom model. If not, then again // and model and hit enter. From here you can select the MiniMax M3 model. After that, let's use it. Hi, can you help me? It will respond it, means it will perfectly working. In OpenCode, I have already mentioned, first time it will take some extra time. After 2-3 response, it will respond too much fast. It will respond in 3 seconds. Which model is it? I'm the MiniMax M3 developed by MiniMax. Now MiniMax M3 will be successfully activated inside the OpenCode. Now I will quit this Windows. Just press Ctrl C twice. Then last method, I'll show you how you can use it inside the VS Code, which is the most important things. Okay, go to the extension section here and install this Claude Code for VS Code extension powered by Anthropic, none other, powered by Anthropic. Then it will be reflected it here and here as well. I'll open it again. I'll select this folder to demonstrate you, and it will be available here and here as well. I'll click it here. Now if you are using it for the first time, then again you need to switch the model / model. It will automatically detect in my system because I have already used it. Select this. By default, this default model will be available. You need to select this MiniMax M3 free model, and from here you can easily interact and use it. Hi, can see thoughts for 1 second, it will respond it. Which model is it? You are running MiniMax M3 developed by MiniMax. By this way, you can easily use this model inside the Visual Studio Code. This is the project that I have just created using this MiniMax. This is the one snake game that I have created. It will provide dark mode, light mode, sunset mode. From here you can set the speed of a snake. From here you can change the board size. You can see start game. If you feel slow, Then from here you can increase the speed. By this way you can use MiniMax inside the Visual Studio Code, inside the Claude Code, and inside the OpenCode. Explore it. It is free for limited time. Okay, it will free for limited time. Use it until it will be free. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'll create this type of AI related content. If you think this will be helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Okay, bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.